So now at this point inside Android Studio, we can create a new Flutter project and then we can run that Flutter project on Android device. But we cannot run that Flutter project on iOS because for iOS we need to install another software called Xcode. And then by combining this Android Studio and Xcode, we will be able to run Flutter applications on iOS and Mac devices. So the next step is installing Xcode inside our MacBook. You need to open App Store inside your Mac. So inside Launchpad, search for App Store and you will find it here. And now inside App Store, simply search for Xcode. After that, press enter and you will see this first result. So this is the software which we are going to download. So you can click on it and its home page will be opened. So now you can simply click on this get button and then click on the install button, and this software will gonna start downloading. And once you will gonna download it, it will gonna show you an open button here. So once Xcode will be installed, you will be able to see this open button, and upon clicking on it, Xcode will be opened. Or you can also check Launchpad and there you will also find Xcode icon. So just click on it and it will be launched in just a second. So when for the first time it will be opened, it will gonna ask you to agree with these terms and conditions. And there you need to provide the password of your Mac to agree with them. And then you will see this window, and here you can select the devices for which you want to develop the applications. So by default macOS and iOS will be selected, so you can just select both of these and then click on install button and it will gonna install some additional components. And once that process is finished, you will see this what's new in Xcode window. So here you can simply click on continue button and you will be able to see this window for Xcode. So once Xcode is installed and it is launched, you will be able to see a window similar to this one. And here you can create a new project in Xcode or you can open an existing project. So after installing Xcode, you need to click on this Xcode button in the top left corner and then you can click on this preferences. And here you need to go to this location tab and then you need to select a value inside this command line tools. So by default there will not be any value selected here. So you can click on this drop down and you will be able to see the name and version of your Xcode. So just simply select it and we are all set to build iOS applications inside Flutter. So just close this window and then open Android Studio.